Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Abiola. Thank you again for stopping by, and I apologize for going off on you guys again. We had to settle 2023 prayerfully, and I am back. How are you guys doing, and how is your goals? How is your New Year resolutions going? Because I know a lot of people will be like, oh, this year I'm going to start going to the gym, this year I'm going to make more money, this year I'm going to travel, this year. We are in the year already, and I hope you are holding it by the neck, like. Okay, in today's video I'm going to be telling you quick and easy way to make money if you are in the UK, and this applies to other people in other countries as well. This video is going to help you, and these are things that I have made research on. I know some few people doing it in the UK and they're making lots of money, so I decided to bring the good news to my channel. So you want to get your pen, you want to get your book, you want to get your notepad, you want to jot things down, because this year, if it's in your goals to make money, I'm bringing you this good news. Let's get right into the video. So in this video today, I'm going to be telling you everything you need to know about making this quick money. And you don't even need to have some skills, you don't even need to have some qualification or talent to do this job. So the first thing on my list is be a pet sitter. A lot of all these pet owners need someone trustworthy to watch over their pet while they're away or while they're at work. You can take this as a side job if you work from home or you don't even have shift for that day. Make sure that you put your services out there. Oh, you're a trustworthy pet sitter and you can watch over their dog or their cat for like 3 hours or 4 hours while they're away. You'll be paid for that. It is not a free service. Number 2, how you can make money in this new year. Sell unwanted items. Stop ordering things that, oh, I'm going to fit into this dress tomorrow, I'm going to fit into that shoe next week. You're not going to fit into it. Yes, you need to sell unwanted items to get your money back. Sometimes when we go shopping, we throw away the receipts, hoping that when we get home they are going to fit perfectly, and maybe when you got home it's not fitting, or you can't even wear it, or you don't even like it. You can upload it on some websites that I'm going to be mentioning, and you will get your money back. Also, some gadgets that are not needed anymore, sell them off and get your money back. First website for unwanted item is Preloved. You can sell your items on some Preloved websites. You can also sell your unwanted items on eBay. You can sell your unwanted items on vinted.com. Make sure you check around the house, and if you see something that you have not used for like 6 months, sell it. 3, you need to offer services in your area. There are lots of services that you can offer. Do you know how to make hair? Do you know how to sew? You don't even need to know how to sew all those, all those big overbag clothes. If it's just something simple, like a simple dress, or you know how to amend clothes, put your services out there. You can advertise your services on Facebook Market, in your school group, in your church group. You can advertise in the local newspaper. I don't know, that might cost something, but it is free to advertise in your group, in your church group, any group you find yourself. If you have a community group or your building has a WhatsApp group, drop it in the WhatsApp group and tell them, oh, I make hair, or I offer cleaning services. Do you have a baby? I can be a nanny. I can babysit your child. Put your services out there. Don't say, oh, I can do this stuff, but how will I sell myself? How will somebody know that I'm doing this thing? Yes, they will know if you tell them. And again, sometimes when you need to tell people that you do something, you should have proof for it. Oh, I like to babysit children. Oh, see this baby that I was babysitting last week. Oh, see this one, I was doing this. When you make hair and you don't take pictures of the hair. Shout out to the lady that made my hair for me. She's a very nice person in Bournemouth, yeah. And I was looking for her, and a friend offered to give me her phone number. I mean, is this hair not looking nice? Yeah, it is looking nice. So if you know how to make hair, even if it's just all back, it doesn't have to be these braids. A lot of people need someone to make their hair for them. If you know how to clean, if you know that you can offer cleaning services, you can even go to an agent to say that, oh, you want to work for this agency and they are going to pay you. All these are not free services. This year we are having money mindset, and we need to get off the bed. There is no time to be lazy. There is no time to be lazy. So you need to get off the bed and push out yourself. You are a brand. I hope you know that you're a brand. So if your favorite brand, I don't want to mention any name, if your favorite brand didn't take a step further in doing what they are doing, they won't become your favorite brand. So you are a brand, and I need you to wake up and take charge in this 2023. Another way to make money is to become a freelancer. Do you have a skill or talent that you know that can generate income for you? Create a profile on Fiverr, create a profile on Upwork, create a profile on Freelancer, and push yourself out there. Tell them, oh, I can do assignments for you and you're going to have straight A's. I can make your presentation for you and your boss is going to promote you. I can edit your audios for you and you're going to sound like the Queen of England. I can, you need to just push your profile. Make sure your profile, when someone sees your profile, they want to actually come for you, they want to actually patronize you, they want to actually say, okay, I think you know how to do this work, so do it for me. Do you know how to design graphics? You need to be on Upwork, you need to be on Freelancer, and you also need to advertise yourself on all these social media platforms. It is working. Do you have an Instagram account? Do you have a Twitter account? On TikTok, you need to promote yourself on all those social media platforms. Do you know that you can even make money by counseling people? Yes. You see all those advice that you used to advise your friends? Keep it. Go and upload a profile on Fiverr and then start making money from advising people. Yes, that's another way to make money. Another way to make money is to become an Uber driver. You can start making money like right now. Yes, like right now. All you need is your license and a car to drive, and you are there. You're making money already. For the international people watching this video, your international driver's license is valid for 12 months. What are you waiting for? Do you have access to a car? Get a car and be an Uber driver. You're going to be making a lot of money. I've engaged a lot of my taxi drivers, and I try to ask them, how much do you make per day? How long have you been doing this work? And I'm always wowed by their responses. If they're not making money there, they won't be driving every day. They won't wake up to get me to my workplace. They won't wake up to get me to get groceries. So if you have a car and you have license, please, you need to start your Uber business right away. And that leads me to the next one, which is becoming a delivery guy or a delivery girl. I've said it in some of my videos in the past that you don't even need a car to deliver food or deliver any package to anyone. Some people use bikes. If you know how to ride a bike, if you know how to ride bicycle, you can deliver packages to people. All you need to do is to register on Just Eat, Uber Eats, Deliveroo. All those people use bicycles or bike to deliver, and this is a good way to make money without investing so much on equipment or gadgets. So which one are you considering? Let me know in the comment section. If there is anyone that you're considering and you're feeling like, oh, I still need more explanation on this, or how do I go about it, please drop it in the comment section. I'll be super happy to give answers to any of the questions in the comment section. Last on my list on how to make money is cooking. Yes, cooking. I'm sure that you're wondering that, oh, how can I make money off cooking? You can make money off cooking. You don't have to cook jollof rice all the time. So sometimes last week, a friend came to my house and she was like, oh, Abby, would you like to eat meat pie? I'm like, meat pie? Where? How did you get this from? Where? I don't want Oyibo meat pie. You know that kind of feeling. And she was like, oh, there's a Nigerian lady making meat pie. Order it in. I can't wait. It was so yummy. It was so good. And I'm like, when did this lady arrive? How did she, And I was asking so many questions, and it just dawned on me that, yes, that's another way to make money. You don't necessarily need to start cooking jollof rice or making pounded yam for people. Do you know how to bake? Do you know how to make special delicacies? Maybe moi moi. Some people want to have moi moi and they can't do it in their house. You can upload it on your WhatsApp group, on your WhatsApp status, You can also advertise yourself in your school. You can advertise yourself on your social media platform. I make shawarma every Monday. All this food that that people will really enjoy. And you can also make your research from your friends in school, in church, or even at work. Oh, if I start making this thing, will you buy it? How much will you buy it? That's how to draw research anyway. So I've come to the end of this video. Like I said earlier, if you have any question concerning anything that you want to do amongst everything that I mentioned today, please leave it in the comment section and I would answer you. Thank you for watching till this time, and don't be stingy. Send this to your friend or family members that are in the UK or any part of the world and they're looking to start a business in 2023. Thank you. Bye.